Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now find Lock Orientation icon. As you can see, Lock Orientation icon is now blue. That means that it's turned off. If you want to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. But you can also go into Settings, choose Display, scroll down, and tap on the switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it off or on. If you wish to check out if it works, all you need to do is go into any app, like Gallery, and turn your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!